Hello, how to install Angular? Firstly, we need to install Node.js. We can find it on Node.js.org. We should download LTS version. I use for Windows installer. Then we should just run it. After installing Node.js, we can check Node version. Yes, we can see our version. Next, we need to install Angular. To install, I use command npm install cli. After installation, we should create new project. To create new project, I will change directory. Okay. Next, add command to create project. First, we defined new project. We define folder. I don't have this folder, but it will create new one. Next, we define prefix. This is prefix will be added to all of our selectors, and we define defaults. We define that we don't want to install rounding.